Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to recreate a look that I saw on Instagram. I don't know who she is. I just seen it and I just thought the eye makeup was just super cute. So I'm going to go ahead and we're gonna follow along. Now please don't mind my lips. This is just like a lip plumper. So I just put it on while I'm getting ready, of course. I'm actually going to use my Morphe 9N palette. I actually really love the colors in this. They're like super dark, but they're super cute. So I screen recorded it because it would be easier for me to basically kind of go back and forth instead of kind of like rewatching a video. The first action, it looks like she took a color, and I'm actually going to try to put a screen record right there. She took a color like this, so I'm just gonna pat this on in the middle area. Oh, this is really vibrant. Okay, then she goes in with a super dark purple. So I think I'm going to, I hope this is not too dark. I'm going to take Private Room, which is this purple here. Okay, so I feel as if this is as smoked out as it's going to get. Like she went back over that area with that same hot crowded, and that's what I'm gonna do. Go back over that just a little bit. Oh, I hate that I have to dab into another palette, but I feel like this is the only way that I'm gonna be able to do so. So I'm going to grab this bronze color right here in the Dare to Create palette. Just put on my finger like this, not too much. Same. So I'm going to take this green pigment that I got from Inglot. It's called Pure Pigment Eyeshadow in the color 84. So that's this. It's going to look like this. Okay, so it's this same purple. I'm going to take the same. Like how that one came out, like it like looks super red underneath, like it's so cute. So I'm gonna use this small little brush I just picked up from probably somewhere cheap. Well, actually, let me do this. And now I'm going to just spray my face, and I'm going to spray it with the Gold Light Fix Plus. And I'm going to go ahead and get dressed and get myself together, and I'm going to come back and show you the final look. Okay guys, so this is the complete look, and I just gotta show y'all my outfit, but just stay tuned because it's gonna be another video. But anyways, subscribe, and please come back to my channel. I want to thank you guys again for being with me again on another tutorial, and I am again going to link the person that I followed her tutorial on in my bio. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. I just let it. It's so cute. I feel like it giving me Barney vibes though, you know, because he was purple and green, and then there's like a little hint of pink and red. Phew, child. Fighting a lot of demons.